Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Wash Pump Service KIT part #WD19X25700. The GE Wash Pump Service KIT part #WD19X25700 is a complete repair kit for washing machines. It includes all the necessary parts to replace the pump in a GE washing machine. The kit includes a new pump, gasket, mounting screws, and instructions. The pump is designed to fit most GE washers and is easy to install. The kit also includes a detailed installation guide with step-by-step instructions for replacing the pump. This kit is an ideal solution for repairing a faulty or broken washing machine pump. This part fixes the following symptoms. This service kit is designed to repair a variety of issues with a washing machine, including a noisy pump, leaking water, and an unbalanced load. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Turn off the water supply to the washing machine. 3. Disconnect the water hoses from the back of the washer. 4. Remove the screws that secure the access panel to the back of the washer and remove it. 5. Locate and remove the old pump assembly by disconnecting it from its mounting bracket and disconnecting any electrical connections to it. 6. Install the new pump assembly by connecting it to its mounting bracket and reconnecting any electrical connections to it. 7. Reinstall the access panel and SA. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.